Hello, hi, your favorite online physiotherapist is here. My name is PT Omodibo Elizabeth. Yes, today I'm back. I also want to talk about the topic of the day is arthritis. But today I'm going to only, talk about professions and the kind of arthritis that each professions tend to have later in life. What is arthritis? Arthritis is the degenerative disease of the bone, which usually leads to pain and happens in individuals 40 years and older, which happens in old age. And today I want to talk about different kind of profession and the kind of arthritis individuals can tend to have as they grow older. But that does not mean that all of us will have pain as they grow older. Fine, everybody has degenerative disease of the bone as they grow older, but it's not everybody that handle with pain as they grow older. So I'm going to start with this profession, which is driving. Drivers tend to have what we call arthritis of the lower back. Yes, arthritis of that place that we usually refer to as waist. And some of them, they usually call it jedi. That's why you see them, they take okpaeni and so on and so forth because of the back pain they usually have. And because of this prolonged sitting and driving a long distance, they tend to have arthritis of the lower back as they grow older. Another profession I would also like to talk about are farmers. Farmers also tend to have arthritis of the lower back because of prolonged bending while planting seed. Of course, they are the ones that feed us. That's why we call them food basket of the nation. They take care of us. But why they do that, especially for those farmers that, do farming manually, they tend to have arthritis of the lower back. And also, they also tend to have arthritis of the knee joint. Another profession I'd also like to talk about is teachers. Yes, teachers train us, but they also tend to have, because of prolonged use of their hand to write on the board and to describe events for their students, they tend to have arthritis of the shoulder joints. Yes, and these are the things that later in life they tend to manage because of prolonged use of their shoulder. Another profession I also like to talk about is secretary or typist, because they use their fingers a lot to type and they do this for a prolonged number of years. You can imagine somebody that has been typing for more than 30 years. Yes, they tend to have arthritis of the wrist, fingers, and also elbow, which are the things they tend to manage as they also grow older. And the last profession I would like to talk about is fashion designer. Yes, fashion designer, they make us look good, but they also tend to have some form of arthritis as they grow older, which is back pain because of prolonged sitting. They sit for a long time making dresses for us, and this sitting can, prolonged sitting, bending can also lead to back pain. They also tend to have what we call neck pain because most of them, because of the machine they use, they tend to bend their neck while trying to make us look good. And these are the things that they tend to have at the end as they grow older. So I'm going to stop at these 5 professions in this video. In my next video, I'm going to tell you more about professions and the kind of arthritis you might end up having as you grow older. Yes, I've not mentioned your profession. Don't worry. Let me know your profession in the comment section. Maybe I'm going to mention it in my next video. Thank you for listening to my video. Thank you for listening to me. See you next time. Bye.